Hey there, buddy. I'm just going for a quick run, yeah? I promise next time I'm gonna bring you. It's just, you're a bit of a small pup still. I don't want to tire you out. But when I get back, we're gonna, I don't know, we're gonna eat some delicious food and then, yeah, then it's cuddle night, yeah? Anyway, just sit right here and wait, and I'll be back as quick as possible. Alright, see you, buddy. About half an hour later. Oh, I forgot about that. Wait, one sec. Oh, there you are. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Oh, you stood here in the same spot waiting for me all this time. Oh, what a good dog you are. Good boy. Now, don't mind me. Well, I'm just gonna... Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.